I was thinking, a lot of people think that it's safer to get paid for your time rather than to get paid by the results that you produce. But I really think that the opposite is true. If you are getting paid for your time, then there's a ceiling on what you can earn. There's only so much time that you have to trade for money. And so if you're thinking that's safer, it's probably not true. I think if you are paid for the results that you produce, your income really can have no boundaries. There's no limit to what you can earn if it's paid by results, by the results that you produce, by the value that you give. So, rethink your money job mantra and start thinking about what you can do to produce value and how you want to deliver it. And I think that you'll find that your income will skyrocket when you do that, and your ability to receive money will change. Take care. Over and out.